Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Donato Creator Token. Ticker symbol is DON. This is a BEP20 token on the Binance Smart Chain. It's not even available on PancakeSwap yet, according to their BSC scan. There is only 3 holders, so this is a brand new token. And it was just announced that they will be getting a brand new central exchange listing starting May 2nd on a very big central exchange. We're going to go over the information on the Donato Creator Token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So this is a brand new token here. Like I said, only a couple holders there, which is obviously Team Wallets. Now it says max total supply is 1 billion tokens. 18 decimal places on this token. And this token here will be listed exactly May 2nd, 7 a.m. UTC time on a very big central exchange called Gate. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have a Gate account, you could download Gate from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store or get it on your PC. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, then go into the trade section and search DON when it gets listed, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So this is part of the XCAD network here. You can find their webpage at XCADnetwork.com. I do believe I've done videos on the XCAD tokens in the past. There's been a couple at least. And yeah, so this seems to be a brand new one. So xcadnetwork.com/the Donato. And then they also have a, their normal webpage is xcadnetwork.com, and that's where you can see like the whole, I guess, project you would call it. And they have Medium articles, Twitter, Telegram. So the ticker symbol for their other token is XCAD, and this has to do with creators and fans, this whole thing here. So they have like watch to earn, where you could watch creator videos as a fan, or you could make videos as a creator and have fans watch them, and vice versa. So basically XCAD Network is pioneering the watch to earn revolution for 2.1 billion active YouTube users, enabling fans to earn creator tokens for watching their favorite creator directly on YouTube. So I guess it's kind of like what just AdSense is, except you earn tokens. So yeah, anyways, it says the Donato Creator Token. So the DON token will give you access to extra benefits, allow you to earn products, participate in raffles, and have a say in the creator's main decisions. So you can download the app, you can learn more. So they have all sorts of different links on their page here. So the Donato on social media, he has here, this person, 40 million subscribers. I don't even know who this person is. That's how crazy the world is that I could not know somebody who has 40 million. It actually looks familiar. There's a picture of him, so I probably have seen him before. He looks familiar. Maybe he's a kids influencer or something. I don't know who this guy is. But yeah, he's got 4.8 million followers, 98.3 thousand X followers. So yeah, I started I made a YouTube account back in 2007 or something like that, kind of just playing around, making videos here and there. And it was very small. And then nowadays, you could go on YouTube and you'll find a video that has like a couple billion views on this video. And you're like, what is this video? Who is this person who made the video? I've never heard of any of this. And it's mind-blowing that you could not know somebody who has billions of views on one video. You know what I mean? Like Gangnam Style or something. You're like, what is this? But everybody knows Gangnam Style. But anyways, token utility here. It says the Donato's perks. The Dawn token will give you access to extra benefits, allow you to earn products. They are repeating themselves here. So it says some of the things that you could, earn is a FaceTime call with Donato, feature in a YouTube video, signed memorabilia, exclusive Donato merch, play online with Donato, meet and greet the Donato, Kings League trip. So this looks like he's like maybe a soccer, football influencer or whatever. Soccer is not as big in Canada, where I'm from, as it is in, places like Brazil and overseas and stuff like that. Over here, people like hockey, and, in the States, people like, American football, and they like baseball and stuff like that. Soccer, not so big, but I mean, it's big worldwide. So that's why this person probably has a ton of followers. It's like the most watched sport worldwide. I believe the second is cricket. Cricket's not big in Canada at all either. Over here, it's hockey. And then, other things are secondary, like baseball, football, CFL, that type of stuff. Anyways, I'm getting off track here. So yeah, you can earn other things like social follows, name displayed in video credits. So utility via perk types is subject to change at the discretion of the creator. So there's vote polls. So it says vote on polls from their favorite creators, and more tokens a viewer holds, the more weight their vote carries, rewarding the most loyal fans. So basically, this guy is a very popular YouTuber and Instagrammer, Twitter person who has tons of followers, and he's like really taking advantage here of this XCAD network to create his own token. And and so he has a total supply of 1 billion Dawn tokens. 20% of those tokens went to pre-sale, 30% went to exchange LP, 30% incentives, 10% marketing, 10% contributors. It says initial price is 1/10 of a penny. Current ROI is to be announced. And and then you'll see more information coming soon. So go check out this project here. Check out the Donato. He looks familiar. I believe he's probably like a kid influencer, but then also like big on like soccer or something. But he probably plays video games. Looks like he does it all. But anyways, let me know in the comments, what do you guys think about the Dawn token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.